problem statement is to study a Toth-Thomas biquad filter. We were asked to find the transfer function of the low-pass filter. We have applied KCL to find the transfer function. We obtained the transfer function like this. When we equated the resistors and capacitors to a standard value, our transfer function is this. This matches with the exact transfer function. We use TINA software to simulate our circuit. This is the connection diagram, this is the input, and this is the output. The starting frequency and ending frequency are given. Amplitude and phase are plotted. Our frequency response is like this. Now, when we simulate our given circuit using ASLK kit, the input given is 4 volts. The frequency starts from 100 Hz. This is the input and this is the output. We measure the output voltage and the phase difference between the input and output by changing the input frequency. When we change the input frequency, the signal gets attenuated. We plotted this using MATLAB and we got the frequency response like this. 186 Hz is the bandwidth of our filter. When we compare the bandwidth obtained using software and hardware, the result matches almost. Our next step is to introduce a multiplier into the circuit. This is MPY634. The transfer function of this multiplier is like this. When we add this multiplier, the transfer function of the low-pass filter changes into this one. Now, when we simulate this using TINA software, this is the connection diagram, this is the multiplier, this is the control voltage. The starting frequency and ending frequency are given. When we run this, the frequency response obtained is like this. When we build this using the ASLK kit, this is the control voltage. We have set 5 volts as our control voltage. When we change the frequency from 100 Hz, this is the input and this is the output. When we change the frequency, the output gets attenuated. The phase difference and the output voltage are plotted similarly. The ASLK kit is a user-friendly kit and it was very easy to use this kit. The challenges faced by us was software simulation using multiplier. In the hardware implementation, we didn't face any challenge. Thank you.